Good morning. This is channel Fuck It All. Look at the frickin' blizzard we are in today. Becky, are we in a blizzard?
Yeah, we're in a fucking blizzard.
And
of all days.
Yes, of all days. And we have to go to the airport, which is 2 hours away.
2 hours away east or whatever.
East, and it's probably gonna follow us all the way to Spokane. So I just wanted to get a quick shot of how bad it is here. We haven't had a blizzard here in how long? A long effing time.
What?
You haven't had a blizzard here.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's like 4:30 something in the morning, and this really sucks. It's been fun.
Oh, yeah, it's been total fun.
Total fun. So you wipe off that car, and we better get our asses on the road.
I know.
Okay, bye.
Okay,
Until
bye. Yeah.
until later.
Yeah.
Stay tuned.